So let's have a look at what a recruiting strategy might look like. So there are many, many different activities that you can focus on. And what we do is we look at all the activities and then get you to pick 3 that you are going to perfect and action every single day. So all of us have a who do you know list. All of you have a who do you know list. And it's really important that you rewrite this list and get it ready to action, because we focus on you contacting 3 to 5 people per day off your warm market who do you know list. The next area of recruiting activity would be on the social media platforms. And obviously there's many, many platforms that you can choose from, but my advice is choose one that you can master, focus on it and work with it. So let's just say, for example, it's Facebook. What we would expect you to do is to connect with and engage with at least 15 people per day within the Facebook platform, building up that relationship, building that rapport till eventually they get to the point where they want to find out more about what you do. You can do cards and flyers, business cards and recruiting flyers. They're very, very powerful. And we look for people to give out between 200 to 500 a month of those. Alongside that, you can revisit all the people that in the past have said no to you. The timing wasn't right. And if you revisit those people, the timing could well be right now. You could look at asking for referrals. And I always have a saying, if you don't ask, you don't get. And also, you can do small adverts in local communities, in very local publications, nothing that needs to cost a lot, but can reward you with people making contact with you. And also, as part of your recruiting strategy, never ever underestimate the potential of a very satisfied customer. So maybe now is the time to reach out to all of your customers, ask them if they're happy with the product, and if they all say yes they are, tell them that behind the amazing product sits the most incredible business model that can allow them to make some money and take the financial pressure off their homes. This is a great way to get people who already love the products looking at the Forever opportunity.